And the best indoor plant award goes to... Want to know why? Keep watching. Hello everyone, in this video we will know how to take care of snake plants and the health benefits they have as an indoor plant. Snake plant is also known as Sansevieria or mother-in-law's tongue. It can survive extreme low light situation and can last for weeks without water. It's very easy to take care of, which makes it a perfect plant for people who can't keep anything alive. With its sharp and pointy leaves, it gives a great aesthetic look to any interior. They can make a great contrast due to their height and shape variations. They look good in a pot on the ground or the shelves or table. Snake plants help to filter indoor air. The unique and best thing about this particular plant is that it's one of the few plants that can convert carbon dioxide into oxygen during night time. That's why it is an ideal plant for bedroom decor, as it can help regulate healthy airflow while we are sleeping. Snake plants are also known for their ability to help remove toxic air pollutants. Though in small contributions, snake plant can absorb cancer-causing pollutants including CO2, benzene, formaldehyde, xylene and toluene. With the ability to absorb and remove harmful toxins, snake plants can act as an effective defense against airborne allergies. Like I said earlier, snake plants are very low maintenance and they are quite hard to kill. So, if your space has a very low light condition where nothing survives, or if you travel a lot or forget to water your plant regularly, then snake plant is the best plant for you. Snake plants can live in any light situation like low light, well lit place and also in direct sun. Although they survive in low light, but they do like bright light and thrive well in a well lit area. That means if you keep them in lower light, they will be fine and survive pretty well, but if you keep them in bright and direct light, they will have better growth. Snake plants can go with almost any kind of soil and it doesn't require much nutrients. Just make sure the soil is fast and well draining, as its root rots easily if the water is not drained properly. Also try to use a terracotta pot that won't trap water inside and promptly remove any standing water from the saucer. Snake plants survive low water for quite long. If you forget to water them for days, they will be fine. In fact, snake plants do well when you almost forget about them. Allow soil to dry between watering and take extra special care not to overwater in winter. Try to avoid getting leaves wet when you water. Water them every 2 to 4 weeks in summer and every 6 to 8 weeks in winter, depending on your location, home environment, type of soil mix and pot size. If you overwater them, they will just die. In fact, overwatering may cause root rot and kills this plant. Hope these tips were helpful for you. Let me know in the comment section which one you apply for your snake plant. Snake plants' leaves contain a poison that can cause swelling and numbness on the tongue if eaten in large doses. If you have children and pet, consider before keeping snake plant, as it is mildly toxic if consumed. I love propagating snake plants from leaf cuttings. Let me know in the comment below if you want to see that.